Hi guys, good morning. It's Wednesday and katatapos ko lang din guys mag-prepare. So, since it's Wednesday guys, naka-uniform tayo today. So, samahan niyo ako guys na pumunta na sa work. So, let's go guys! So, yan guys, nandito na ako sa work and katatapos ko lang din na to guys, may coffee break. So, anyway guys, since it's Wednesday, meron tayong delivery today. So, actually, meron lang tayong 1-day delivery. So, hindi naman masyadong hassle kasi hindi naman marami yung sales. So, for today's agenda guys, we will just have to check all the sales. Mag-encode din tayo lahat ng sales. And then, we will also check the passbook guys, kung lahat ba ng payments is pumasok. So, that would be our agenda for today. So, wala naman masyadong ganap guys kasi hindi pa naman tayo busy at all. So, yun guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako. So, stay tuned guys! So, yun guys, so working and I just want to share with you guys an update about my rebond hair. So, actually 3 days ko na siya naliko and so far, wala pa naman changes at all and then sobrang smooth pa rin ng pagkaka-rebond niya. So, yun, share ko lang. So, anyway guys, tapusin ko lang yung work ko and dyan lang muna kayo guys. So, So, patapos na din ako sa work guys, and actually wala naman masyadong ganap today. So, trabaho and bahay lang din tayo. So, wala tayong ibang lakad. So, I know na boring na naman yung vlog ko, charot. So, actually guys, yun lang din kasi yung naging routine ko everyday. So, gusto ko lang kayo isama kung ano talaga usually yung ginagawa ko sa work, and then yun yung talagang pinapakita ko sa vlog ko. So please bear with my videos guys, kasi yun lang din talaga yung nagiging routine ko everyday. So happy naman ako na at the same time na isasama ko kayo sa daily vlog ko. So yun, share ko lang. So anyway guys, patapos din ako sa work. So, yun guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!